Hello viewers, welcome to JC Games. Today we are going to continue with our project with the Ludo multiplayer. In the last video we have seen how to create a room from server side and request we are sending from the client side. So now we are moving to uh, next continue with our next system. First of all, I'm going to modify the name of the panel, calling it login page, and also I'm going to create one more panel, so that will be home panel page. And just now I'm disabling it, and in the home page we will create one text, legacy under text. Here we will make the username visible, so whoever login with the what username we are logging, so we'll make our username visible to share. Okay, just in the top, and also we will that okay, as of now this is enough. So whenever we click on the login button with the username, once we successfully logged in, so we will disable this home page, sorry, login page, and show the home page, so it will be more realistic. So we can code wise we are receiving response, that will be okay, but if you are making it in more visualization, so it will be more good to be work and fun. Okay, now we move into our yes, user request. In the last request we have sent it the server, that is called user request, and what we are doing here, we are just creating a one room over here. So now what we will do, so once we successfully created a room, or else once we successfully logged into the room, we would like to send one response to user, whether that user that confirmation to the user that I have successfully logged in and with the username and password, because we must capture our username from the server response only, not from the local one which we type and logged in. Okay, so to be send a response from server to the client, we need to create one extension that will be helpful for us to create sending multiple reusable the way. So I'm just going to create one extension inside the extension folder. I hope there is only two extension is there currently, lobby extension and zone extension. So right click on it and creating a Java class. So here I'm going to give a name is send response. Okay, so this is a send response class. Okay, here we don't use any extension method over here. Just we are going to make one public static function, so it will be allow as to send a request to client. So I'm just making it public, and it is a static, so wherever we would like to call we can easily able to call that this function, and it is on word function. And also I'm making the name send user yeah, send user response. So here we some need some parameter to be send the room. First of all, we need a command. So what is the command name we are going to send, which is the command. So I'm just declaring as a command only. And next we need IFS object also, because from the Unity side we are sending IFS object to server. Then the server will Then we will get the detail from that object. The same method we are going to send. Same we will do a object, and yes, name is also yeah, and we need to be declare which user sending. So for that we are creating user, and also from which room we are sending this. Maybe this is an UDP mode or not. It's a kind of Boolean value. Just make it this maybe false. That we will declare. So it is UDP mode or not, but other things we will import it. We need to create one more extension. We will do and create one new folder. Name, maybe name whatever, however you want. Just make it. I'm just making the form dot basic dot here. Going to create one Java name. Put that class to here. Now we need to send with the API request. So box server dot get instance dot get API manager, and then get API. Yes, the first API extension response. So here are the details. We need first a string. String means command name, and IFS object. We need IFS object, and also we need next is user list. It's coming, so we will make that user, and the room is instead of making string, we will put this command that gets okay. Now we will add so okay, now we will just create some this is not going to be a class, this is will be so from enum we are going to use the name like command or init open close bracket, make it all create. Here we're finishing this. We will declare one private final, and you get create a method, get value, public string, get name, the name all. Here we will return uh, also we need to be set our string value in the method of, and also we need common uh, command string. So now whenever we will receive or we will want to get name, this will return which name, the list of name will be in the send response. Now we got all the data. Now from the client side we must create one new function so we can able to receive a response from the server side. So that response also we must create like this, just duplicating one, add even. So here we must select extension response. So we are will make so, so from this method we will continuously check our event process to whether we are receiving a response from the server side. Method our on server response. So we will receive event base event. From here we can able to extract all. First of all, we need what is the command key we are receiving. So just making string cmd. It is a string. We will pass it from the event key dot param. We will receive the command key. We are sending from this command from the server side. What are the this command means here either init or room creator to key this two. And once we received command key, so we can identify what type of data we need to send from the server side. The user balance or in the room successfully, we just sending response that we have the room, so we can identify and we will change lines and according. Now we need also we need data. So whatever the ASFS or object we are sending from the server side, that data. So just so this is type of SFS object, and then we will pass it from, and data will become params. So now we received the data, and as far as it, we will check according to that, or else we will call a function like yeah, date server event. Okay, so we get new pass this cmd comma data. So these two, and from the down, private word. First of all, we need uh, command key. So string method comma. Then we will need I. So within, whenever we receiving update from the server, so extract that, or we are extracting it, and also the command name. Then we will forwarding to this, calling this, and here we will use which case, command. Okay. First case is init. The name I've declared in this server side. If it is init, then what we will do, yeah, in the init we will send username, then else, yeah, as of now we will send the username. So from the server side, forgot to be logged in. For will send a request to the successfully created room. Get that. So we are successfully created. Then what we will do here, we will response to client side, because whenever we creating the response room, then we are not able to receiving the created. So we will first sending response, we need to declare SFS object. So first of all, we will declare it as an object. Equal to SF. In the SFS object, we'll send data. A, so here we will and now we need to add one by one detail. First, we need to add object dot. Here we need to use put and a string key, and string will be the name of the key. First of all, we need to send one message. So we will just create ham as, and the message is we have creator as the room name. Get this is for testing purpose. live mode dot put text. Use put text, and finally we need to send this. Sending the response, we just simply call our send this class. We directly call this class here response start. So now everything is automatically like command key is init, and the ISS object is this is, and the user is the room is currently we are in the lobby, right? So first of all, in the login request, join room request, getting a room from this because we are in the lobby. Find a room. The boolean value will be false. Make it false because this is not an UD file here. So once this enable the UDP mode from the administration SmartFoxServer, then we can use it. By default, it is on, so we don't use it. Now I save. Now from the client side, once we receive the Unity, we will just log it up. Yeah, here we need to get that string key or what we get it server message data dot get text. So what is the text name we have made in that MSG? So this, and also we will server here we will do cmd cm. So we will, whenever request we are receiving from the server side, so it will be a log. So we can understand maybe in future if you are missing any, or if you're missing any, if some response is coming or not. So till we be in a testing, we will use the debug log. It will help us to clear the most of the confusion. So now we're done. What we'll do, we will right click and build one. This clean and build. It is successfully done. Now we move into here and copying, pasting here. Now we just need to start our service. Welcome. Okay. Actually, these types of error occur because whenever my computer is turned on, it automatically start uh, that that not work service keep running. This I just need to stop it. from the task manager. Then if I start, maybe if you're facing also same error failing, make sure that stop it from the task manager and now from the client side, because we have not fully function, we just check whether our functions are working properly. First we try to log in and just log in with the username of test. The home page is disabling test user, and I put in login. Okay, now we have successfully logged in. Same thing we have in a lobby now. So what we do, we'll create a room. Okay, now we created a room. Okay, okay. So the request handler, we have some error, that is that this error saying is class exception. SMS room cannot be passed a class SmartFoxServer API create room setting. Intent is system name. Okay, but still we have successfully created a room, even though there is an error key last session. First of all, we will do one thing. Uh, this will be good to be find the error and fix it. Okay, to be fix this error, first check with the user request handler on 36 of line. So this is our user requester and 36 number. So we are creating a room. So while creating a room, we are getting some new error. So maybe this is the reason we are not receiving this scene. Okay. Actually, we made one mistake, because directly calling as a send, just declaring room. Game. Sorry, the game room. Don't need this. And we will save it. Again, we will rebuild it. So we update, we drop our instance. Now we first time drop it. By default, I'm just disabling the home panels. Just logged in. Okay, now create a room. Yeah, so now we received a response. CMD is init server message. We have successfully created a room, and the room name is. Now we are receiving response from the customer side, and also we are creating a room. Okay, so now we are able to coordinate with the server. And the next section we will move into another step, like modify some Unity. The username usually we will update username, all the thing. So now we are able to coordinate with the server. So make sure you just understand whatever I have said, and this is the purpose we have created all the things. First of all, we created one extension called send response. So this will be a static method. So we don't need to each time to create function like this. So I put out one extension class and I made the static method. So whenever we need to send a response directly, I call this send. And this is the command we have created to make a command name for which command we are going to send client. So then only client side we can identify, okay, this is init method. So in the init method, we will receive a like username, user balance, and user detail, and room creator. So this will be next level. So if you are starting our game to play, so once we click on the play game, so it will search first of all, is there any existing room is there for to be joined, or else it will create it. So that according to that we will send. And finally, we are sending a response like in this method. So first of all, we need to make one SFS object the same way we making from the unit client side. Also, we send request from client side. How we are creating one ISFS object and we are putting the test date and sending the response. So the same way we making from server side also creating some SFS object and putting the information. Not only we can able to put text, we can able to put integer, float, even object, even list, even map also. But we will do it later because we are going to do it later on a big big things like in a smooth way and optimized way. So till the time whatever I'm teaching you, practice it, and also you can do some more extra additional work, like you can send the username also here. But the username things I will do it because we are going to send it init response only, but that we will send once we successfully logged in our server. So that we will do in the next video and update in the unit section. The same time is getting more. We will close the lesson section over here. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.